Welcome to hips and torso session 2. We're going to start in butterfly. I know you guys know this one. So soles of the feet together. We're going to open up the knees, creating a diamond shape with the legs. If this is too much right here, placing your prop, your block underneath the knees or the thighs, supporting yourself there. Just noticing if you need that. Hands can be outside or inside the legs. We're just going to close down the eyes and melt forward here. Finding your edge. And just checking in with your body. Settling in here. Finding your focus. So maybe choosing a word, a mantra, or choosing an intention. And just breathing into this shape. And melting. Releasing a little more and more with every breath. And just settling into your edge. Slowly begin to reverse your way up. Take your time, noticing the sensations in the body. We're going to move right into half butterfly. So the left leg extended out long. You're going to bend up the right leg, placing the sole of the foot into the inner left thigh, centering yourself over your left leg. Just walking the hands forward until you feel a little sensation. Close down the eyes. And just melt here. Releasing tension. And letting it all go with the breath. Quiet and empty the mind. And just melt a little bit more and more. And again, slowly begin to reverse your way up, taking your time. We're going to transition to the other side. Extending the right leg out, bending up the left leg, sole of the foot to the inner right thigh. Adjusting as you need to here, centering yourself over your right leg. And just starting to melt forward, close the eyes. And just look for your first edge where you experience that first little bit of sensation. Just settle there. Notice the body and notice the breath. With the right leg out, maybe feeling a little different than with the left leg out. Breathing into sensation, into tension, and letting it go. Just soften and settle here. Slowly reverse your way up, taking your time, releasing the legs, maybe giving them a little wiggle or a shake. Coming out of this one, and we're gonna move right into square pose. You're gonna bend up the left leg at a 90-degree angle, the right heel on top of the left knee, and just let the right knee melt down on top of the left heel. If there's a really big space here, you have a couple of options. You can take your prop and pop it underneath. If that doesn't quite feel good, you can certainly drop the leg down and in front. We're still creating a square shape with the legs, just finding what works for you. We're gonna, again, just melt forward. So looking for your first edge, close down the eyes and breathe. Relaxing through the upper body, just letting it be heavy and soft. Breathing into the sensations in the low body and just letting go. Nice, calm breath in and out through the nose. And slowly reversing your way up. Take your time. When you're ready and fully upright, just switching up the legs. So right leg underneath, left heel on top of right knee. Relax the left knee down onto the right heel. And again, if you've got that big space, placing a prop in between. Can drop the foot down and in front. Just notice what it is that you need. Honoring one side of the body will feel different than the other, most likely. But just finding your edge, close down the eyes and just begin to melt forward. Looking for your edge. And just noticing how this side feels different than the other. breath and just melt a little bit more and more. And slowly reverse your way up, taking your time. Releasing the legs once again, maybe extending them out long. In stillness, maybe some movement if you like. We're gonna lie down on our backs. Coming next into happy baby. So you're gonna bend up the knees, hanging it onto big toe for second finger, maybe holding on to outside edges of the feet or even onto the backs of the calves. Finding what works for you. Open the knees wide. You can rock side to side. To begin with, just a little gentle massage into the low spine. And when you're ready, settling into stillness, tuck the chin slightly, lengthen back of the neck, close down the eyes, and breathe. Soften and settle. And gently release the feet, hug knees into the chest. You can rock side to side a couple more times if it feels good. Extending the legs out long. We're gonna move next into banana pose. So walk your feet over to the bottom right corner of your mat. Goalpost or cactus the arms, curve the upper body to the right. Creating a little lengthening down left side. You can cross at the ankles if you like, one foot on top or the other. You can keep feet side by side. Notice what feels good to you. Close down the eyes and breathe. So breathe all the way down the left side of the body, feeling that nice lengthening sensation. Finding your stillness in the body and in the mind. And gently uncross at the ankles, make your way back to center. And just take a couple of breaths here and breathe down the left and the right side of the body. And gently walk your feet over to the bottom left corner of your mat. You're gonna goalpost cactus the arms. Once again, curve the upper body to the left. And again, cross at the ankles if it feels good. One foot on top. Try the other feet side by side if you like. Finding your edge, just making sure upper body relaxed on the floor. Close down the eyes. Breathe all the way down the right side, feeling that nice lengthening sensation. Breathing in, breathing out through the nose, letting go. Slowly make your way back to center. Take a few breaths here, just noticing the body. And gently make your way to a seated position. Nice long spine, just noticing how you feel. You can close the eyes and start center if you like, sealing in your practice. Opening the eyes. Hope you enjoyed.